I wonder what this month's, let's see. Speed! Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Just Say Faith. Today I am going to be unboxing Loot Crate. This is not an endorsed video and not sponsored by Loot Crate. We are actually subscribed to Loot Crate because it is the shit. I have a special guest helping me unbox this month's Loot Crate. This is my son Levi. Say hi. He's ready to get started. Let's see what we got here, dude. I'm gonna go for the shirt straight away. So it's Stark Motor Racing. You see that? Oh, we got the Flash Hood ornament. What? It's a Loot Crate exclusive. Dude, check it out. Yeah, that's what I think too. Eleanor, you can have this. I know you like cars. Check that out. Cylon Raider 4.5 Scar Titan. I will take it out of the box to show you better, for you to get a better look, but my husband likes to keep these in the box. So. Oh, dope. Dude, look at that. Oh, dude. Eat my dust. Okay. Oh, look, she has colored hair too. Her hair looks better than mine. Mine's faded. What do you want to play with first, dude? Blah, blah, blah. Ow! I'm okay. You want this one? Here, you can play with this one. That one's yours. Well, guys, that was this month's Loot Crate. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this month's Loot Crate. Thank you, Levi, for being in today's video. Say bye-bye, Levi. Good enough. Peace. I'll see you guys next time. Right here.